Yeah, because Rodrigo Roa Duterte was president to all Filipinos, no? Not just to Davaoenos or mga Mindanao, everybody, inclusive talaga.
Pero hindi niya man binirda yung yung ganyan mga ginawa na yan. Hindi na yan na-interview ng Rappler, ng Inquirer, wala yan, hindi yan binalita.
Pwede bang pasingit lang ng konti? At sino si Leni Robredo? As HUD-C chair. She first reported to work on day 45, was it? And
45 days after?
45 because she traveled in the US. I'm saying that for the record, okay? And then you have the gall. You have the gall to keep on criticizing this president, di ba? Such a hardworking president being criticized by a very lazy vice president.
And
vindictive and talagang shallow and a puppet. And to this day, she keeps on harming the Filipino people with her collusion with the CPP, NPA, NDF. I'm so glad that she's stepping out of office. But you know what? This will